Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about 10th class biology. In previous classes about this third lesson transportation. In previous classes already we discussed what is transportation, how transportation is taking place. Next what is transport in our body and which is carry nutrients, oxygen and water in our body. And what is the external and internal structure of the body, and how the heart is pumping, the mechanism of heart functioning, and what is blood pressure. These all aspects we discussed in previous classes. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic. Before going to know that topic, first of all, in real life what problem we are faced, that we have to recall once again. When we are traveling from Nirmal to Hyderabad without any moving by bus, without any moving, we are sitting like a rock. In that time what happen? When we are going to be get down in Hyderabad, when we observe our legs, in that time what will happen? Our legs, it will become swell. Yes, sir. When we are moving, sitting like a rock without any movement, in that time what happen? When we observe the legs of our body, in that time what happen? Our legs, it will become swell. Why this swell is occur in our body? That is the main question. Due to the blockage of a system, a special type of transport system, that special type of transport system is called a lymphatic system. Lymphatic system. Today we are going to discuss about lymphatic system. What is a lymphatic system? Before going to discuss about this system, you have to know about lymph. What is lymph? What is lymph? Blood without solid particles is called lymph. Blood without solid particles is called lymph. What is lymph? Blood without solid particles. In blood, what are the solid particles are there? Blood cells are the solid particles. Except blood cells, the remaining blood is called lymph. In Latin language, lymph means, its meaning is water. మన ఎల్డర్స్, those who are crossed 40 years, మన ఎల్డర్స్ నిర్మల్ నుండి హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుంది? హైదరాబాద్లో దిగేటప్పుడు when we are going to get down, in that time when observe our legs become swollen. పెద్దవాళ్ళు అంటారు కదా, నీరు పట్టింది అని అంటారు. ఎస్ సార్, కాళ్ళు నీరు పట్టిన వాచిపోయినాయి అని అంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ lymphatic system. Blockage of this lymphatic system. When we are moving, get down and moving sometime, in that time again we will get recover and it will become normal. Okay, what is lymph? Blood without solid particles or blood without blood cells is called lymph. Already you know, in previous classes already I said, in human beings 3 types of blood vessels are there. In that first one, arteries. Arteries means this color, this yellow colored one. Arteries. Second one, veins. Third one, blood capillaries. What are blood capillaries? The smallest artery vessels and vein vessels are called blood capillaries. Next, arteries. What are arteries? Arteries, they pump the blood. They pump pure blood from heart to other parts of the body. Yes, sir. Other parts of the body. When these arteries pump pure blood that time what happened? Due to the blood pressure, the some liquids it is reached into the between the cells. This fluid is called tissue fluid. Tissue fluid. When this tissue fluid is reached into between the cells from the arteries, here what is formed? Tissue fluid is formed. In tissue fluid, what is there? Nutrients are there. Nutrients are there. These nutrients. Next, what happens? These nutrients are absorbed by these cells. For each and every cell to do functions, it needs nutrients. This arteries, they supply the nutrients. The fluid which is present between the cells, that fluid is called fluid, tissue fluid. This fluid, tissue fluid also contains nutrients. These nutrients are absorbed by these cells. Yes. Next, remaining fluid which is there, that fluid it is entered into veins. These veins, what happens? All the veins they carry impure blood from body parts to heart. All the veins they carry impure blood from body parts to heart. When these veins they collect impure blood from the body parts, in that time what happens? The tissue fluid, some tissue fluid, it is entered into the veins. This veins they supply this impure blood to the heart. Yes, heart. Next, after transporting the tissue fluid into the veins, the remaining particles or the remaining fluid is there. That fluid it is entered into the a special type of circulatory system or special type of vessels. These vessels are called lymph vessels. These vessels are called lymph vessels. The fluid, tissue fluid which is remaining after reached into the veins, that fluid it is entered into the lymph vessels and lymph vessels like this. Lymph vessels. Again, this lymph vessels again it is opened into veins. This tissue fluid it is reached into the veins and this vein carry the impure blood to the heart. This is about lymphatic system. For simple understanding, you have to see this diagram. What is this? This is the artery. The smallest artery is called arterioles. This is the smallest venule, arteriole. This is a venule. The smallest veins is called venule. Smallest arteries is called arteriole. What is the main function of artery? Artery transport the pure blood from heart to other parts of the body. When blood flows in the arteries with pressure, in that time what happens? Due to the pressure in blood in arteries, some fluid it is reached into the between the cell. This is called tissue fluid. This tissue fluid it contains nutrients. The nutrients which are present in the tissue fluid, that nutrients are taken by these cells. What are these cells? Next, after taking the after observation of nutrients by cells, some fluid is entered into veins, and the remaining fluid which is deposited between the cell, the remaining fluid it is reached into the lymph vessels. This lymph vessel it is opened into a lymph gland. In lymph gland what happens? This lymph it is send the tissue fluid into veins. This way it carry the impure blood from other parts of the body to heart. Here in heart, what will happen? Heart it send the pure blood into arteries. In a right side chambers, two chambers, impure blood is there. This impure blood it is transport into lungs. In lungs, what will happen? Impure blood is made into pure blood. This pure blood is reached into left chambers, left auricle and left ventricle. From the left auricle, left ventricle, it is reached into arteriole. Like this, the transportation process is taking place in our body. This is about lymphatic system. How human beings cell, when we are traveling a long journey, in that time our legs it will become swell due to blockage of lymphatic system or blockage of this movement of tissue fluid from tissue to lymph vessels. If we are not moving, sitting like a rat, in that time what happens? This fluid is not entered into the lymph. In that time what happens? The more tissue fluid is deposited between the cell. That's why it will become swell. This is about lymphatic